Tired of juggling multiple apps to see your complete financial picture? Do you have different checking, savings, and credit card accounts scattered across different banks and wish there was one single place to see it all? Well, you're not alone. And that's exactly what Rocket Money is designed to do. It's an incredibly powerful tool for managing your money, but its full potential is unlocked when you have all of your accounts linked. The good news is, syncing multiple accounts in Rocket Money is a straightforward process. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. First things first, open the Rocket Money app on your phone. From the main screen, look for the gear icon in the top left corner. That's your settings. Tap on it. Now, you'll see a menu pop out from the side. Look for linked accounts and give that a tap. You'll see a list of any accounts you've already connected, and at the bottom, there will be an Add Institution button. This is where the magic happens. Tapping Add Institution will bring you to a screen with a search bar. Here, you can search for your bank or credit card company. Rocket Money uses a secure third-party service called Plaid to connect with your financial institutions. So, once you find your bank, you'll be prompted to log in using the same username and password you use for your bank's website or app. Don't worry, this is a completely secure and encrypted process. After you enter your login details, your bank might ask you to complete a security verification step, like a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once verified, Rocket Money will display all the accounts associated with that login, your checking, savings, and maybe even a credit card. You can select which ones you want to link. You don't have to link all of them if you don't want to. Once you've selected the accounts you want to sync, tap Continue. Rocket Money will start securely pulling in your financial data. This might take a few moments, but once it's done, you'll see your new accounts added to your list. And that's it. You've successfully synced another account. You can repeat this process for all your different banks and credit cards, and soon you'll have a unified view of your entire financial life right there in the app. No more switching between apps, no more guessing where your money is. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.